This is the Purifii UVC upper air fixture, which uses the power of LEDs to create a disinfection zone to inactivate pathogens in a space in the upper portion of a room. These upper air fixtures work by delivering a dose of disinfecting energy to inactivate any pathogens like germs or viruses that are carried in the air. As the air mixes in a space and travels through that zone of disinfection energy in the upper portion of the room, that helps to clean the air over time. Upper air fixtures have been used for many years to help reduce the transmission of pathogens between people in a space. A traditional upper air fixture uses low-pressure mercury lamps that produce UVC energy in the 254 nanometer range. The fixtures are designed with some form of reflector in the back of the unit and louvers or some kind of filter in the front of the unit that directs all of that disinfecting UVC energy into the upper portion of a room. This fixture by Purifii is different because it uses LEDs to produce UVC energy in the 275 nanometer range. The LEDs run the length of the fixture and shine onto a reflector that directs all of that disinfecting energy into the upper portion of a room, similar to a traditional UVC upper air fixture. One of the biggest differences with these LED upper air fixtures is that the form factor is so much smaller than a typical upper air fixture that you would mount on the wall. One version of this fixture includes an integrated power supply, and you can run 120 volts to this fixture directly. The other unit uses a remote power supply, and the benefit of this is that you get an even smaller upper air fixture because you've taken the power supply and moved it remotely. You run 120 volts to the driver and then low voltage out to the unit in this space. Another benefit to these LED upper air fixtures is the ease of installation. These fixtures come with a series of clips that you mount to the wall independently of the unit. Once the clips are secured to the wall, the fixture simply snaps into the clips. As an additional safety factor to make sure that the installation is secure, there's also a small clip that gets mounted to the top of the unit and also secured to the wall. We recommend commissioning all upper air units to make sure they are working properly. Regency Lighting is offering this service to customers because there are so many factors that can impact installation, like reflective surfaces. Contact us for a consultation.